Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Easterling and we are on our Perspective City project right now. So if you haven't gotten to this point yet, as you can see on my paper, you need to go back and do Perspective City Day 1, Perspective City Day 2, and Perspective City Theme, where you choose what you're going to be drawing and what the theme of your city is going to be. But if you have your paper and you've drawn your at least 5 buildings and you have your 2 roads and your intersection right here and your horizon line at the top, then you are with me and you are ready to move on and start designing your city. So what we need to do today is we're going to add some windows and doors to our buildings. We're going to add some siding to our buildings, like maybe some brick or things like that. And then we're going to start decorating kind of all the empty spaces we have, maybe with some signs or a traffic light, things like that, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is add a couple of windows. Now to add a window, remember in 2-point perspective drawing, there should be no horizontal lines except for the horizon line. No lines going straight across like this. You only have vertical lines and lines that are leading to either vanishing point. Vertical lines and lines that are leading to either vanishing point. So to make a window, I'm going to start with just 2 vertical lines. And you might want to use your ruler to help you make them really vertical. This is where it can get a little bit more tricky because suddenly everything you're drawing is so much smaller. And so from that first vertical line, I'm just going to connect it to the vanishing point and draw a line. And I'm going to do the same on the bottom. You want these lines of your windows to be parallel with the top and bottom of your building. Parallel with the top and bottom of your building. So there is one window, and you might have to go back and erase some lines and kind of redraw them, but it should be pretty well suited for that. So you can just go ahead and do that for as many windows as you want. So once again, it's a straight vertical line, 2 straight vertical lines, and then perspective lines leading to the vanishing point that is parallel with the top and bottom of your building. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and fill in a bunch of different windows on all my buildings. All of your buildings must have some kind of windows. So I'm going to do that and then show you what I've got. Okay, so now I've gotten windows, at least 1 window on all of my buildings. This one I kind of went for more like an office building, skyscraper. Got some larger windows up here, more simple windows. So you can do this however you want, adding any kind of like little detail, anything you want with your windows. So that's it for windows. I'm gonna make another video and show you doors and signs, okay? So watch the next video for more on adding details to your building.